tutorial series. Today we are going to answer an important question. What is GIS? Geographical Information Systems or GIS are tools that allow us to visualize, analyze and understand the geographical aspects of the world. In this video we will break down what GIS is, why it is so important, and provide a glimpse of the software we will be using throughout this series. Let's get started. What is GIS? So, what exactly is GIS? At its core, GIS stands for Geographic Information Systems. It's a system designed to capture, store, analyze, and present all types of geographical data. But what makes it unique? The real power of GIS lies in its ability to combine spatial data, information tied to specific locations, with other type of information like populations, statistics, environmental data, and even social trends. Think about GIS as a smart map. Not only does it shows you locations on Earth, but it also helps you analyze relationship patterns and trends within those locations. For example, GIS can show you not just where a city is, but also how the population is distributed within that city, what areas are prone to flooding, or where new infrastructure projects are planned. Look at the given picture, the real world, and there are a few layers are shown at the right side. Data slices. We discussed it further. Importance of GIS. Now let's talk about why GIS is so important. In today's world, many industries rely on GIS for decision making, planning, and problem solving. Let's explore a few examples to better understand its impact. There is urban planning, environmental monitoring, disaster management, agriculture. Now we discuss each example. Urban planning. In urban planning, GIS is used to map out cities, design transportation networks, and plan for future growth. Planners can model how new developments, such as a housing project or shopping mall, will affect traffic, utilities, or nearby green spaces. GIS also help them identify the best locations for new public infrastructure like parks or schools. Environmental monitoring. In environmental monitoring, GIS help us track and analyze changes in the natural environment. For instance, scientists can use GIS to monitor deforestation in rainforests, track wildlife habitats, or assess the impact of climate change. GIS plays a critical role in conservation efforts, allowing environmentalists to make data-driven decisions about protecting ecosystem and natural resources. We discuss further each in detail. Disaster management. GIS is also crucial in disaster management. Emergency responders use GIS to predict natural disasters such as floods, earthquakes, and wildfires. By mapping out high risk areas, they can prepare evacuation plans, deploy resources more effectively, and respond faster to crises. Now, the last one, agriculture. Even in agriculture, GIS plays a big role. Farmers use it to monitor soil conditions, track irrigation needs, and optimize crop yields. By analyzing spatial data, farmers can improve efficiency and sustainability, ensures better use of land and water resources. Now, what kind of tools for use GIS? Now that we know how GIS is used, let's briefly talk about the tools we will be using throughout this series. Two of the most popular GIS software programs are QGIS and ArcGIS, and there are much more, some other, but we should focus on these two, QGIS and ArcGIS. So QGIS is a free open source software that is incredibly versatile and widely used by educators, researchers, and small organizations. One of the great things about QGIS is that it's accessible to beginners and professionals alike. You don't need to invest in expensive licenses to get started, which make it a fantastic option for learning GIS. Now, the second one, ArcGIS. On the other hand, ArcGIS is a commercial software developed by ESRI. It's considered the industry standard used by large organizations, governments, and business worldwide. ArcGIS is known for its advanced features such as a high level spatial analysis, data visualization, and powerful tools for big data integration. However, it comes with a steeper learning curve and cost. Now, comparing both tools. Both QGIS and ArcGIS have their strengths. While QGIS is free and flexible, ArcGIS offers more advanced tools for large-scale projects. Throughout this series, we will demonstrating how to use both of these platforms, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs. So, to wrap it all up, GIS is much more than just a tool for mapping locations. It's a powerful system that helps us make sense of the complex relationships between different type of data and the real world. From urban planning to agriculture, environmental monitoring to disaster management, GIS is being used to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. In our upcoming videos, we will take you step by step through the process of using GIS tools to create your own map and analysis. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced user, there's something for everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.